Hey folks, this is Norm in Southern China with a couple new improvements to our lean morning meetings. And the first one was we've got an alarm clock that helps us to start every meeting right on time. So the person who's leading knows when to get started. But what would happen was they'd push the snooze button rather than the stop button. And so we've changed it around here and made the process really simple. You can see, you just go back and touch that. The next process after you do that is you push this button, and that is a cheap doorbell that we bought, and that rings across the whole factory because we would have people come early to the meetings or late, and that prevents that from happening. Another improvement we made was to the morning meeting exercises, and first thing I want to show you is how long that process took. So this was all done. We had a video that went through it all, and it was about 2 minutes 42 seconds. You can see, and it would say, okay, we're going to go to the left, tilt your head, and then we're going to go to the right, tilt your head, and we're going to look left, look right, and it would go through it all, telling you what to do. Well, we realized that you could actually save a bit of time if we just actually had a little clip of what was going to come next, so you didn't have to explain it. And so you take away that non-value time of even just explaining what comes next, because we can show it instead. And the advantage is that we're able to save quite a bit of time off our morning meetings, about 40 seconds to be precise. Now, it's not a huge amount, but we have 240 staff who go through the morning meeting every day. And the idea is to give them as much value in those meetings as possible and cut out the waste. Hope this is helpful. Thanks a lot. Take care.